Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Gemini for security and app authorization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Gemini, first, ensure you have a Gemini account. Visit the Gemini website or open the app to access the login page. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, in the designated fields. Click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Security tab within your account settings. In the Security section, locate the option for API keys. Click on Create New API Key to start the authorization process. You will then see a form requesting specific permissions. Select the necessary permissions you wish to grant for this key. This may include permissions for trading, transferring, or viewing account data. After setting permissions, click Create API Key to generate your new key. You will receive your API key and secret key on the next screen. Make sure to copy both the API key and secret key immediately. Store these keys in a secure location for future use. Now, return to the application or service you want to authorize with Gemini. Within that application, navigate to the API Settings or Authorization section. Paste the API key into the designated field in the application. Next, paste the secret key in the corresponding field. Confirm any additional security settings required by the application. Click on the Authorize or Connect button to finalize the process. Once authorized, you should receive a confirmation message from the application. At this point, your application has successfully been authorized with Gemini. If you encounter any errors, review your permissions and try again. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Gemini account. This will provide an additional layer of protection for your account and authorized applications. Regularly review and manage your API keys for optimal security practices. With these steps, you can confidently authorize with Gemini for secure application access. Congratulations on completing the authorization process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.